Meaning of exotica.
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 Exotica. Exotica refers to things that are considered unusual, rare, or foreign, often with a touch of mystique or fascination. It can refer to various objects, experiences, or cultural practices that are perceived as exotic or non-mainstream. Examples of exotica may include ethnic art, unique travel destinations, or exotic music that incorporates non-Western instruments and sounds. The term often implies a sense of novelty or adventure, as well as an appreciation for diversity and difference. Overall, exotica represents a form of curiosity and interest in the unfamiliar and the unknown.